Well, it's April 1st, 2026, and time for another 4 Ways to Turn Something project. You will notice that I don't have a full video. I have shortened the original video for this month's project down to, 8 or 10 minutes, and you can watch that. Anyway, my YouTube channel was disabled. I'm not really sure what happened. I am inclined to believe that it was hacked. My email was hacked. I can't use my email, anything related to Google, and that includes my YouTube channel. So you won't see any of my videos. They have been totally removed. I'm not sure why. It all just stopped working one day. About 2 weeks ago, this happened. So I have been frantically trying to regain my YouTube channel with no success. I'm pretty much convinced that it's gone. I had 1,000 videos that took me 16 years to produce, and they are all gone. One sort of a side note, I've got 5 granddaughters, and when the 3 older ones were visiting my shop probably 8-10 years ago, we did 4 videos, and they were just adorable, and I thought these videos will always be there for my family, for my grandkids and my great-grandkids. And anyway, that kind of puts things in perspective as far as it's all gone, and YouTube is a mammoth undertaking, and I can really maybe not fully understand how big it is, but you can't talk to anybody. You can't call somebody on the phone and say, hey, help me fix this. Anyway, I'm going to put my new email up there. SJ Angelo at iCloud is an iCloud email. I had to, go to that. So disregard my old email. The Sam and Cheryl email does not work anymore. And if you're looking for my videos, you'll find short videos on Facebook and Instagram. Those are not really YouTube videos. They're just posted on social media. All right. And please leave a comment. Send me an email. I will try to get back to everybody. And I've gotten some really great support. November 3rd, Coco passed away. And if you've been watching my videos for any time at all, you've seen my shop dog, Coco. And a lot of you guys have a shop dog and ladies. And sometimes they pass away long before we do. And it's heartbreaking. But I intended to put up a video announcing that. I couldn't do it right away. It was just too difficult for me. But I never got around to it, and I apologize for that. I can try to get the word out on Facebook, but the audience is different. And a lot of you that are watching this particular little clip aren't on Facebook. So anyway, if you see it, leave me a comment, email me, keep in touch. Anyway, the 4 Ways group is not exactly intact anymore, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. I have really encouraged Mike Tomislav and Richard to continue. I don't want this to end. There are many, many great woodturners out there in the world, and I think it would be a kind of a fun adventure to look for somebody else to fill this spot. Or go forward with 3 ways. I don't know. I look forward to it every month. I really enjoy making the videos. And anyway, I want those guys to keep going. Don't stop on my account. All right. And it's been a great honor being selected. Richard Raffin, of all people, sent me an email 3 years ago. It's hanging in my shop. inviting me to take part in this new adventure. We did 37 videos, 37 projects of 4 ways. Anyway, that was amazing. And I said, yeah, I think I'll do that. Anyway, gotten to know Tomislav. I've known Richard for years. Mike Peace has been a friend for years. And anyway, I'm going to end it here. I'm going to be in Raleigh in June. And if you are there, stop by and say hi to me. I'm also going to be at the Rocky Mountain Woodturning Symposium in September, and I'm actually going to demonstrate. So that'll be fun. I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to sign off now. Thank you all so much for your support over the years, and this is it's really a difficult thing for me to say goodbye, but we got to move on. So anyway, this is Sam in Montana signing off. Thank you. Well, you can watch the rest of the video as I work on my bowl with handles. And once again, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you sometime down the road. Thanks. Now, as I clean up the bottom of this bowl, I wanted to mention that I've got my vacuum pump running, obviously, but it's very, very quiet. I've got it in the room adjacent to where I'm standing, and that was a good decision. It keeps the oil vapors down out of my immediate breathing area. And anyway, holding very well. This is a great little project for the vacuum pump, and I'm sure glad I did that. Now I want to make sure I don't have a spinner. Do a little bit of sanding on this, and we are going to be done. Okay, finally we are at the end of this project. I'm going to do a little bit of sanding and do it quickly. Anyway, thank you very much for watching another 4 Ways to Turn Something project. This has been an amazing adventure. We're going on the 4th year, if you can believe that or not. So thanks Richard and Tommy and Mike for your collaboration on this. I really appreciate it. It's been so much fun and challenging. So please subscribe and leave a comment, and maybe you might have an idea that we'll do in the future for a project. So thank you very much. Hey, turn my vacuum pump off. There we go. Okay. There we are. Thank you, Richard, for this idea. I really enjoyed it.